it's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf, we the baddest. And as they say, connect.
Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S 𝐑𝐄𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 here with another reaction. Today we are with 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎���. Yes, with Hellcat. Yes, that one upon the Fast and Furious rhythm produced by 𝐑𝐄𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍. Big up yourself, bro. Big up yourself. Mad project you're going with. I've done I think I've done all of the song them so far upon the rhythm. So these are just some more that I'm doing when released. So big up yourself, 𝐑𝐄𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍. Big up yourself, my G. We're jumping the one and answer when Mugs are saying a Hellcat. And no thing go. Let's go. Let's go. Production team, big up on yourself, man.
My cup was cat pack, my dog lock obstruction. By the Benz cash and crash that. You think man I'm madman when me shoot out not a goddamn charge. I come here and break the partial corner.
But just that different flow in the dark. Vines. Let's go. Let's go again. Hellcat, Mugs, ready? 𝐑𝐄𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍. The whole team behind the one. Forward, let's go.
My cup was cat pack, my dog lock obstruction. By the Benz cash and crash that. You think man I'm madman when me shoot out not a goddamn charge. I come here and break the partial corner.
Humble clot, he and break the partial corner before that. Him tell us him lock off the traction off it. So you know, say yo, drift.
You think man I'm madman when me shoot out not a goddamn charge. I come here and break the partial corner. Country but the nigga pan the Hellcat car. Dash and the chip in the demon only make that faster. It coming like a rocket when you press and blast off. With dip in the traffic like say that's normal. I pull up in a me Hellcat dog and a rental car. The new UFO I'm sent from Mars.
You hear that? Pull up in a Hellcat dog and a on a rental man a drive, brother. On a rental, bro.
Me like a rocket when you press and blast off. With dip in the traffic like say that's normal. I pull up in a me Hellcat dog and a rental car. The new UFO I'm sent from Mars. Me in a traffic and I make that down. Just a dip it and a rocket come head top charge. Excited I get done from the top.
𝐑𝐄𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 flow sick. Let's go.
My cup was cat pack, my dog lock obstruction. By the Benz cash and crash that. You think man I'm madman when me shoot out not a goddamn charge. I come here and break the partial corner. Country but the nigga pan the Hellcat car. Dash and the chip in the demon only make that faster. It coming like a rocket when you press and blast off. With dip in the traffic like say that's normal. I pull up in a me Hellcat dog and a rental car. The new UFO I'm sent from Mars. Me in a traffic and I make that down. Just a dip it and a rocket come head top charge. SRT I get bumps on the tire with an NASCAR speed with a run from the cop. Knew that I never under my dog. Burn out, make it burn down in black. The beast come kit in a matte black. Performance sweep on a stockyard. Me make it swing, me no know how the back gun. Me spin it like a gig till I be my for top that. The one.
Shots fired at the Beamers. Man say yo, me spin it like a gig till I be my for top that. Man say yo, Hellcat, watch this. Beamer, do this and beat me. Suck yourself. Why me I shoot down Beamer, sir? And it's a Beamer me have. Why me I do that? Come on, dog.
Black, the beast come kit in a matte black. Performance sweep on a stockyard. Me make it swing, me no know how the back gun. Me spin it like a gig till I be my for top that. The white body make a bitch off a drop jazz. I tip tonic for the shift when me launch off. Me I go spin it so you better hold on. Girl and your friend them shoulda tell us them man I'm Mad Max. Me pull up in a me Hellcat dog and a rental car. The new UFO I'm sent from Mars. Me in a traffic and I make that down. Just a dip it and a rocket come head top charge. SRT I get done from the car with an NASCAR speed with a run from the cops. Know that I never under my dog. Burn out, make it burn down it black. I be a big beast, a roller. The jailbreak breeze a toll road. I'm on the rocks when the team a roll out. Go prison at the middle of the streets, I don't know.
Yeah.
Me head sick and them need for no dance. Me make you spin, catch your wheel a smoke out. And as the demon squeeze the road down, me drift that shit like me really loco.
As the man says him squeeze the road down, brother. No road no there Jamaica if you push on them bad beasts like that. But guess what? The man tell us him loco, him crazy, him sick in him head, sick in him cranium.
Me head sick and them need for no dance. Me make you spin, catch your wheel a smoke out. And as the demon squeeze the road down, me drift that shit like me really loco. Me pull up in a Hellcat dog and a rental car at the new UFO me sent from Mars. Me in a traffic and I make that dance. Just a dip it and a rocket come head top charge. SRT I get done span the time with a NASCAR speed with a run from the cops. Know that I never under my dog. Burn out, make it burn down it black.
Nasa, you have to make it run you now. You have to make it run you now, man.
My favorite sinner. Come here, top charge. Don't span the car. Run from the car.
Ready again.
My cup one scat pack.
Yeah.
My dog lock obstruction. By the Benz cash and crash that. You think man I'm madman when me shoot out not a goddamn charge. I come here and break the partial corner. Punch it up the needle up and the Hellcat car. Dash and the chip in the demon only make that faster. It coming like a rocket when the press and blast off. We dip in the traffic like say that's
normal.
Pull up in the Hellcat dog and a rental car at the new UFO
when me sent from Mars.
Me in a traffic and I make that down. Just a dip it and a rocket come here top charge.
Yeah.
SRT I get done span the time with a NASCAR speed with a run from the cops. Know that I never under my dog. Burn out, make it burn down it black. The beast come.
Bumbleclaw, new dodge, I never under. Bumbleclaw, be man under get shot in this.
Know that I never under my dog. Burn out, make it burn down it black. The beast come kit in a matte black. Performance sweep on a stack yard.
Yeah.
Me make it swing, me no know how to back down. Spinning like a gig, tell her be my for tap that.
Yeah.
The white body make a bitch of a drop jazz. I tip tonic paddle shift when me launch off. Me I go spin it, so you better hold on, girl, and your friend them shoulda tell us man I'm Mad Max. Me pull up in a Hellcat dog and a rental car at the new UFO when me sent from Mars. Me in a traffic and I make that dance. Just a dip it and a rocket come head top charge. SRT I get done span the time with an car speed with a run from the cops. Know that I never under my dog. Burn out, make it burn down it black. I be a big beast a roller. The jailbreak breeze a toll road. I'm on the rocks when the team a roll out. Go prison at the middle of the streets, I don't know. Me head sick and them need for no dance. Me make you spin, catch your wheel a smoke out. And as the demon squeeze the road down, me drift that shit like me really loco.
Me pull up in a Hellcat dog and a rental car
at the new UFO when me sent from Mars. Me in a traffic and I make that dance. Just a dip it and a rocket come head top charge. SRT I get done from the time with a NASCAR speed with a run from the cops. Know that I never under my dog. Burn out, make it burn down it black.
Bumbleclaw, country. You're not juggling that body, you fuck dog. No joke. Nah, go run it. Juggling bad.
Amazon Prime, big deal.
Juggling bad, bro. Juggling bad. Juggling bad. Yeah, man. Juggling bad. What can I say? Mugs. That one I lead out. That one I lead out, dog. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. New under, brother. I never. Let me say, new dodge, I never under. Under get. Yo. The boss ain't lack of traction. Say no, see a problem Latina, bro. The demon in a dog. The demon out in a dog. Bumbleclaw. Max, big up yourself, bro. Big up yourself. Big up yourself. Big up yourself. Big up yourself. World production team, you know, wanna big up yourself. Fast and Furious Rhythm, guys. This is just the next one from the Fast and Furious Rhythm. I've done, like I said, I've done most of them already. So me I go link the one them. Me I go link two of the one them when me do ya so you can check them out. You understand? So make sure you do the right thing. You see me? Become a supporter. Yeah. Drop a follow. You know what I mean? Yeah. Make sure you watch all that video too. Yeah. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.
It's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf, we the baddest. baddest. And this is a rip connect.